To buy XRP on Coinbase, follow these steps. Create a login to your Coinbase account. Go to the Coinbase website or open the Coinbase app. Sign up for an account or login if you already have one. Verify your identity. Complete the identity verification process by providing personal details and uploading necessary documents. This step ensures compliance with regulatory requirements. Add payment method. Navigate to the payment methods section in your account settings. Add a bank account, debit card or credit card. Follow the instructions to link and verify your payment method. Deposit funds. Deposit funds into your Coinbase account by transferring money from your bank account or using your card. Go to the Assets tab, select Deposit and choose your payment method. Buy XRP. In the Coinbase app or website, go to the Buy or Sell section. Select XRP from the list of cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of XRP you want to buy or the amount you want to spend. Review the transaction details, including fees. Complete the purchase. Confirm the transaction by clicking Buy or Confirm Purchase. Coinbase will execute the order and XRP will be added to your account. Verify purchase. Check your portfolio to ensure the XRP purchase was successful. Your new XRP will be visible in the portfolio section of your Coinbase account.